Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know this video is a little different than what you've been seeing on my channel, but these are the types of videos I wanted to incorporate to my channel anyway. And you know, quarantine is giving us all the time. So my space right here, I've been down here for a year now since since I moved from New York here. So it's just been empty. All of this has been like this the whole time. So this space that I'm showing you guys right now, all of this, and behind this panel is a bookshelf of some of my shoes. The rest are in there, and then the rest are still in shoe boxes. So I'm not doing anything with that right now because I don't really know what I want to do with it or how I want to design that area. So it's gonna stay like that until I figure it out. I'm waiting on my couch to come, so I'm gonna put it here, and the rest of my wallpaper so I can finish the wall. As the video goes on, you guys will see different angles, or I'm not sure how I want to separate these videos. If this is really long, they'll be in parts, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. But all of this, it's a really nice space, and I have more space behind me, and that's just kind of like my office slash my studio where I do my tutorials. All of this is just stuff that's gonna come together eventually, and it's just more space here. A mess of a space, I know, but I didn't want to clean it then to move it back there and then clean it again. So I just want you guys to see like a nice before. Now this table right here, I think it's gonna get its own video. I'm just so excited for that. And those are my dumbbells and my laptop. But I'm really excited. I ordered my bookshelves that I'm using. They're right there. I think I want to paint that chair black. I'm definitely painting the table black. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint that chair because it's real. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. This is real pine wood and it's really heavy, so I may leave it like that. It can add a little character to my space, but this table is also like some form of like amazing real wood. That table is really heavy. I'm gonna keep the design, and I'll just explain what I'm doing when the video for that table comes, because I'm gonna change the paint. And I've rambled for like 3 minutes now. Let's just get started with putting stuff together.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt that been grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls give in to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You's a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon.
Okay guys, this is what it looks like all done. I just didn't really film the longer shelves or the 5 shelf ones because they were basically more of the same thing. And as you can see, like for the 3 shelf, I actually don't mind that because I messed it up. The black panels, as you can see here, is facing back, but I messed it up. I didn't even realize that. So I'm gonna let it stay like that because it kind of goes with the wall until I change my mind. I don't think I am though, because it adds a little something there. What it adds, I'm not sure yet. So everything that I have on the shelves, they're not gonna stay right there. I just wanted to get a visual of what things are gonna look like because eventually everything is gonna change up. I want in each shelf, I want there to be a color story. So one shelf, I want it to be mostly like oranges and, you know, the other one would have maybe gold, the other one would have greenery, the other one will have whatever. I'll figure it out as I go, but I just kind of wanted to see like what they'll look like staggered. I'm probably gonna move the shelves around, but for now I'm happy. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to overthink. I feel like if I overthink it, I'm gonna get annoyed and frustrated. So I figured since I still have so much space over here and over here, I think I either want to order 2 more or 4 more. And then if I order 4 more, it'll be 2 here and 2 over here. And I feel like it's gonna give me realistically what I'm going for, but I really do like the way this turned out. The first one of the 5 shelves really took me it took me a long time to get together. But once I got to the last 2, the last one for me was the easiest. Yeah, the last 2 was the easiest. And I did them faster because I knew exactly what I was doing and what I needed to do. I got these from Walmart. If you guys are interested, I'll link everything, well, yeah, the bookshelves in the description box. And that's basically it, I'll say.